Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to sew a frontal wig. I'll be using 13 by 4 inches frontal and I'll be using 200 grams of 8 inches hair. After placing the cap, the next thing you should do is to prep the cap, prep your wig cap. If you want to learn how I prep my wig cap, I'm going to leave a link up there for you to click or in the description box. Now after prepping the wig cap, put it back. If you observe, there are two lines, which means that the size of the cap is different from my own score. Now that I've marked out my exact score, I'm going to be doing the proper sewing now. First is to place the frontal net on the cap. Use a pin and hold it to avoid flipping around when you are sewing. After you have pinned it down, then do the sewing. I'm going to be doing this sewing round the frontal net. After the sewing, I'm cutting out the excess net. So I remove it to cut it well, to cut it without making mistake or cutting out the hair. I'm also going to be cutting out the gap that covers the frontal. So cut it out and place the cap back and continue your sewing. This is how it looks now. I'm going to be putting it back and continue my sewing. For the sewing, I'm using double strand of hair, and as I sew, I'm going to be cutting it because I don't want it to be a kind of heavy at the side. So as I sew, I'm going to cut it once I approach the end of that line.
windshield rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
I drew a line for a guide. You can as well do it if you wish. It's completely optional. And I drew the line a kind of close to each other. It's just to give me guide. I've approached the front, so I'm sewing it and making sure that it covers all in a way that is close to the frontal net.
They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so.
Okay guys, I'm done, and this how it came out. I actually cut the hair off camera because I have to measure, cut, measure and cut. It can be stressful. So this is how it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to be part of the family. See you in my next video. Bye.